Hello, I am Maria. In this tutorial video, I will explain how to import Xsens data files in AnyBody. Open your recording in MVN software. In my case, the recording is simply a walking trial. First, we need to export our file in BVH format. To do so, go to File, Export and select BVH. Click in Show Options and guarantee that the box Overwrite First Frame with a T-pose is not checked. Then, click Export. Once exported, you can copy the file into the AnyBody directory. If you use the default options while installing AnyBody, this folder will be saved in your Documents folder. Paste the recording in Application, Mockup Examples, BVH Xsens and BVH files. To easily recognize the files in AnyBody, you should rename your file with the shown format, representing the subject number and the trial number. For multiple files of the same subject, change the trial number, and for multiple files of different subjects, change the subject number. Go now back to the folder BVH Xsens and go to the subject folder. Here, you find one folder for each subject. The easiest is to copy one of the folders and paste it again. Then, change the number of the subject to the same subject number of your file. When opening this subject folder, there is a folder for each trial recorded for that subject. You need to change the name of the folder to the exact name of the recorded file. Then, open the main script inside this folder. This script includes all the functions to run the model, and it also includes the scripts that you need to change according to each trial. The lab-specific data contains the information about the format of the file. Guarantee that the specifications are set to BVH files. In the subject-specific data script, the characteristics of the subject are defined. You should change these characteristics to fit the subject in your recordings. Finally, the trial-specific data script defines the settings of the recording. In this line of the code, it is specified that the trial name is equal to the current folder name. By changing the first and the last frame, you can select which part of the recording you want to analyze. After adjusting these parameters to your own recording, you can press the Load button to load your model. You can see that the motion data has been loaded, but not yet applied to the AnyBody model. To do so, you need to run the analysis. This processing involves multiple steps. The first one is a marker tracking, in which the virtual markers from the Xsens BVH model are mapped to the markers of the AnyBody model. An optimization algorithm is run to match both models. Afterwards, inverse dynamics is computed. The forces and the moments are calculated. An important feature that AnyBody developed is the possibility of also computing ground reaction forces by using kinematic data. You can visualize a representation of these ground reaction forces on the animation on the right side. Once the data is processed, it is possible to plot the different variables in a graph, and they can also be saved in a text file. To know more in-depth information about computation of ground reaction forces with Xsens and AnyBody, I would like to invite you to watch the webinar we did together. In our base platform, you can find an article with the video and the question and answer session during that webinar. For now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.